So guys, for the first method, once you're on Google Chrome, you want to search for this. It's going to be down below in the description. Chrome flags, overlay scroll bars. You can just copy and paste this. It's going to be down below in the description. You just want to copy and paste this into your web browser and then click on enter, which will then take us to here. You're going to make sure that this has been enabled. So you're going to click on this and then click on enabled and then click on relaunch. And then hopefully that'll fix your problem. And now for the second method, you're going to click on the three dots in the top right, scroll down and then click on settings. And then once you're on this, you're going to scroll down and then click on About Chrome. Make sure that your Chrome is fully up to date. Now once it's been fully updated, you're going to close it out and then restart Chrome. Or it might give you the option to relaunch it. So you're going to click on relaunch. And then hopefully that'll fix your problem. And now for the third method, you're going to click on the three dots in the top right. And then click on settings. And then scroll down and then click on reset settings. And then click on restore settings to the original defaults. And then click on reset settings again. And just restart Chrome. And then see if that works for you.